In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a PineScript file in TradingView. If you've downloaded a PineScript file or copied some Pine code, and you're wondering how to get it running on your TradingView chart, you're in the right place. We'll walk through opening the right panels, pasting your code, and adding it to the chart so you can see your indicator or strategy in action. I'll also share a few quick tips to avoid common hiccups along the way. From your TradingView chart, start by heading to Dashboards. This simply ensures you're in the main charting interface where you can manage indicators and scripts. You can follow along on any symbol and any time frame. What matters is that you're on an active chart view, so the script has a place to load. Next, click on Indicators. This opens the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies window, where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools as well as your own scripts. You'll see categories on the left. We're going to focus on the section that stores your personal scripts so you can add your custom code. Click on Personal. If this is your first time using Pine on this account, the list may be empty. That's normal. This area is where your custom indicators and strategies will appear after you create or save them. It's a handy place to organize and quickly reapply tools you've built or imported. Now click on Create Your First Script Now. This opens the Pine editor where you'll write or paste your Pine code. You can paste directly from a file or a clipboard. Make sure the code includes the correct version directive at the top, like OSHA version 5, so TradingView knows how to compile it. If you see errors after pasting, read the messages in the editor. They usually point to the exact line to fix. Type in or paste in your code, then give it a moment to compile. If your script references security calls, plots, or inputs, those will be configured in the code. You can make small edits here if needed, but avoid changing logic you don't understand. When the editor shows no errors, you're ready to load it on the chart. Finally, click on Add to Chart. Your indicator will appear either overlaid on price or in a separate pane, depending on how it's written. If nothing shows, check the editor for errors or the chart's visibility settings. From here, you can open the script settings to tweak inputs, colors, or lengths. That's it. You've installed and applied a PineScript in TradingView.